Welcome back to another video, guys. A couple of little quick videos going on now because like I say, we're getting to the fun part. So I have got a few jobs still to do with closing a few bits in, but before I do that I just needed to run a few last cables. I've just done the Wi-Fi, so the Kuma Connect box. Check that video out, guys. But this video is Grace wants a awning light, and I have ordered the Fiamma awning light. Believe it or not, that little box there, £120. It better be good. But apparently, let's go ahead down here. This awning light slots into this awning rail sort of section up here. So I'm going to pop it out of the box, have a little look, hopefully slide it in, and we'll get it wired up. While I was up on the roof, I did pull a cable out just so I could close up the lid. So there is a cable already on the roof ready to connect the light into, but apparently these lights just magnet together. So let's have a look. I'm going to unbox it and then we'll see what it looks like, guys. See you in a minute. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So just up here on the end there's a slot and they go in and slide along the rail. I'm going to keep adding them. I've got, what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, which should make a 2.4 metre light, and then I'll bring the cable onto the end. So I'm just going to slide them all in and then get it wired up. Quick update, guys. Nice glow off them lights. The awning light is up. I've been doing a few jobs. I'll show you a quick update in a minute. If you're interested, I'll walk you around the van. But I've wired it up to me little control panel over here, so it's on that light switch. And let's crack it up here. Check out the awning light. Swing you around 2.5 meters all the way down the van. Looks absolutely stunning. So super happy, woo, super happy with that. I have also been cracking on with a few other jobs. Like I say, I've got my control panel here, so I've got a little Bluetooth speaker, I've got the gulper pump for the waste, a couple of main sockets, my Victron controller, my Truma heating, splashback all done in the kitchen. I've got my induction hob in now. I have been absolutely cracking on these last couple of weeks. Sinks in, just in the bathroom. Still waiting on me shower tray, but bathroom, let's get in here. Whoop, get light on. Whoa, that's bright. So mirror in, vanity unit in, world's smallest sink. Look at my hand. Just waiting on the I'll turn it around that way. Yes, there's the mirror. So yeah, just waiting on the stainless steel shower tray. So that side is not finished yet, guys. But things are starting to really look up. Just made this little box section here tonight. There's my little polar bear. That means a lot to me. That polar bear's been on all of our trips. But yeah, van is looking proper cool. So we'll go outside. Still got my awning light on. Coming around to the garage area. We've even been tidying the garage up. So I've got my Voyage Adventure fly screen and net that comes down. That is absolutely banging, absolutely amazing piece of kit, guys. Super recommend it. And I've also, just over here, I've got the blinds for the front as well. Again, look absolutely mint, love it. Little cheeky backfill kit on there with a hose pipe underneath. Truma box now lidded off. Couple of storage boxes, wash basket. So yeah, I have been absolutely smashing it out. I know I haven't done loads of videos, but I've been busy with work and then trying to do this at night, so sometimes I've just got cracked on. But I will try and get on with some more videos for you guys, so there's plenty more still to come. I'll do a quick update on the van in my next video. Hope you're enjoying. See you in the next one. See you later, guys.